Namaskar. Hi friends. I am astrologer Parthasarathi Raut and you are watching my channel Nakshatra Astrology. This is my first video show in YouTube channel and I hope you all love it very much and appreciate me for my future video shows. Today I am going to discuss about the role of ruling planets in KP astrology along with its more hidden secrets. You may read or watch this type of video lesson of ruling planets in earlier from different sources, but after watching this unique video show in my channel Nakshatra Astrology, you will definitely learn some more hidden secrets of ruling planets and get benefited. Before starts, I would like to convey my pranam and regards to Lord Mahaganapati and to our revered Guruji, late Professor K.S. Krishnamurti, and also convey my regards to my Guruji, Sri Rabindranath Ghosh Mahasaya. Let us discuss about this. Ruling planets plays an important role in KP astrology. Now we need to know what is ruling planets or RP. As we know very clear that every moment of our life is controlled by planets. In Srimad Bhagavad Gita Ekadash Adhyay, Lord Krishna told Arjuna, Kalohosmi loko khayakrito pravidha loko samartu miho pravitto maya ibo iti nihoto purvamevo nimitto matra tavo shabbashachi. That means every moment of our life is destined. That means predestined. We only face them according to the incident. Late Professor K.S. Krishnamurti, a master and a genius in astrology, discovered the unique efficacy of the ruling planets. They act as lodestar for the astrologers to predict future events with a great accuracy. The concept and principle of ruling planets are free from any complications and doubts when applied properly in analyzing the fructification of events. Repeatedly, it has been tested successfully by many KP followers in arriving at the results accurately with the help of ruling planets. Late Professor K.S. Krishnamurti has brought this theory in a new and scientific way. He noticed that though every moment ruled by some planets, among them Lagna and Chandra is most vital, because Lagna means soul or myself and Chandra means mind. So the vibration of soul and mind are most important for every moment, and each day is controlled by one or other planet. So he selected Lagna, Moon and Day Lord as ruling planets. Nakshatra has got more important emphasis than planets in KP system, and even very much more importance has been given to sublord, mean division of nakshatra. We all know that planet is the source for an event, star lord is the nature of an event, and sublord is the final authority who will tell us the nature will be successful or not. That's why Day Lord, Moon Sign Lord, Moon Star Lord, Ascendant Star Lord, which is introduced later, will be considered as ruling planets or RP. When we are doing RP, we will find who is strongest, stronger, weak, and weaker ruling planets. Before finding, we need to remember that Professor K.S. Krishnamurti has introduced the 4 RPs, that is Lagna Sign Lord, Moon Star Lord, Moon Sign Lord and Day Lord. In brief, we will tell them LS or D. But later, in some KP stalwarts and some KP scholars introduce Lagna Star Lord or as well as Lagna Sub Lord as RP. In this discussed RP, Lagna Star Lord is the strongest RP. It comes in first grade. Moon Star Lord is the strong RP and come in second grade. Then come Lagna Lord, it is in third grade. Moon Sign Lord come in fourth grade. And Day Lord is the weaker significator, it comes in fifth grade. The ascendant sublord of a RP only can tell whether the event will take place quickly or after some obstacle or the event will not materialize, etc. If the sublord of a RP becomes faster planets like Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury and Venus, then the event will take place soon. The nature of the event can be predicted through the behavior of these planets. Like if you lost some articles, whether it is theft or lost can be predicted by RP. If it is theft, the description of thief can be judged from the sublord of 7th cusp. Like if the sublord of 7th cusp becomes Sun, then theft may be middle-aged man or with sober looks. If Moon, then young lady. If Mars, then guard of this house or male servant. If Mercury, then outsider. If Jupiter, then priest. If Venus, then matured lady. If Saturn, then very aged servant. So if we mix with Rashi's behavior and planets' behavior, we can easily define the nature of that event, but target should be by the sub of Lagna RP. If the sub of RP Lagna becomes slow moving planets like Jupiter and Saturn, the event will take place after some delay. If nodes like Rahu and Ketu becomes the sublord of RP Lagna, it will represent their sign lord but may cause so much obstacle to match with the event. Remember, the sublord of RP Lagna become retrograde, then the event may take place after so much obstacle or after the planet become in direct motion. But if the sublord of RP Lagna in the star of retrograde planet, it indicates only denied or negative result. Point to be noted: if any planet in retrograde motion is deposited in the constellation of Sun, or if his star lord is posited within the 8 degrees of luminaries like Sun, there will be no negative result for this retrogression. If 3 planets become retrograde in RP, leave that RP and do it fresh after some times. If you are liked my show and felt more informative, then you must share this video to your friends and family members. My dear Astro friends, you are requested to share this video to your community and astrology groups much more. You don't forget to subscribe my channel in YouTube because in your horoscope or in your appreciation I will make much more videos in various topics of KP astrology, Nadi astrology, etc. and trying to be present in front of you as soon as possible. So in my next video I will be back with the title of Secrets of Ruling Planets Part 2 in depth and details in next week. Wish you good luck and to all of my friends. Bye bye. Take care.